Right, so the two different methods that are usually used to solve systems of equations are substitution and linear combination. Okay? So I'm going to start with linear combination because this first problem is set up in a way conducive to that. What linear combination means is that you manipulate one equation, one of the two equations, so that the coefficients of one variable are the exact opposite of the coefficient of the other variable, so that you can just combine straight down the column of like terms and cancel out one of the variables. So when you look at this one right here, what you see is -4 and +4 for the y's. Those are already opposites, so this already fits that system well. Okay, so what you can do right here is you can just simply combine straight down your columns of like terms. So I have a -8x and a +7x gives me a -x. The y's cancel completely. I have a -60 plus 57 gives me a -3. Divide both sides by negative or change the sign here. And so I get my answer for x to be 3. Okay, once you solve for one of your variables in your system, you then plug that back into any of the equations up above. It can be any form that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and use this equation because it doesn't have negatives in it. So I have 7 times 3. I'm substituting that in. Plus 4y equals 57. And I'm going to solve for my corresponding y. Okay, so I go ahead and solve this linear equation here. Multiply the 7 and 3. Move all my constants to one side, giving me 4y is equal to 36. And then divide both sides by 4 here to get my y value as 9. So when you come up with the solution to a system of linear equations is going to be an ordered pair. Right? It's an x-coordinate, 3 in this case, and a y-coordinate, 9. And so that's how you would enter your answer, as an ordered pair. Okay, and then up here, if we do the same thing, hit F3, go to your custom tabs, choose your system solving template. And now, what if in doing these, I wound up getting rid of my spaces? And so you do have to have a space after your equation. And so if I start typing in this equation, -8x minus 4y equals -60, but I somehow accidentally deleted the space, you can add a space in here by using this key down here. Notice it's a white little underscore kind of looking symbol. So if you hit alpha and then this change of sign key, it puts the space in. And so here you can do the same thing. Alpha change of sign gives me that space. I can write my second equation, 7x plus 4y equals 57. Hit enter, and I have my solution 3, 9.